Waktu habis.
Tidak! Aku menang!
Ketemu satu. Sekarang kami jadi pencari.
Dan kami akan sembunyi.
1, 2, 3.
Tidak!
6, 7. Tidak.
Aku butuh tempat lain.
Aku butuh tempat lain.
11, 12, 13.
Aku punya ide.
Aku punya ide.
Siap atau tidak, aku datang. Di mana kamu? Aku akan menemukanmu. Di mana dia?
Teddy!
Tidak di sini. Di mana kamu? Tidak ada seorang pun di sini.
Selesai. Hei! Aku menemukanmu.
Dia sedang tidur.
Aku punya ide.
Aku menang? Tidak, kamu kalah. Aku kalah.
Kamu kalah.
Itu tidak adil. Ketemu satu. Satu sama. Seri.
Kita bisa bermain kejar-kejaran. Kamu menang.
Kamu menang.
Kejar.
Hai, tunggu aku. Present for you.
No, no, no. No, no, no.
Oh, thank you. Ah! What?
Hello? Really? Already? School, yeah! I missed you so much! Hi! Hello, friends! I love school! Ha!
Hi, everybody. Don't be afraid.
Thank you! Oh, wow! Ooh, what's this?
Present for you.
No, no, no! No, no, no!
Oh, thank you. Ah! What? For bad behavior.
No, no, no!
Such beautiful bugs.
No, 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 no!
Ew.
It's terrible! Ew.
And to the blackboard. You. Huh?
Uh-oh.
To the board, quickly. Okay.
Uh-oh.
I'll fix it.
Uh-oh.
For bad behavior. Not more, not more. Why? No.
Tollgate! Foul counted! Oh, patay! Nako, kulang pa naman ang player. EJ? Pinasa kay Andrake! Andrake!
Manalo dito ay papasok sa final. You know what? Stop mga palaro. Welcome to Andrek Story! Welcome to Andrek Story!
acne affects nearly 1 in 10 people in the world, making it perhaps the 8th most prevalent disease worldwide. What's the role of nutrition?
Ang bago sa Jollibee Hamburger? Size up ang beef patty, add up ang dressing. 45 pesos pa rin.
Today, we're meeting people so rare you won't believe they exist. We'll be swimming with a man born with no limbs, training with a real Shaolin monk, and even fighting the world's strongest man. These people have either pushed their bodies beyond human limits or were born with abilities so rare that they don't seem real. And even though life can be challenging for them, many have turned what makes them unique into their greatest strength. Starting with this guy. What's so special about him? This is Chiclay. He was born with a rare genetic disorder that makes his skin and limbs stretch far beyond what's humanly possible. Only about 10 people on Earth have Chiclay's condition, so he's built a career performing around the world. But before we meet the next rare person, Chiclay was saving his best trick for last.
Thank you.
How'd you do that?
Yeah, you're welcome.
Walang gagamba dito. Walang gagamba. Naiihi na ako. Saan kaya pwede? Dito na lang. Gagamba! Hoy, may nakita na akong gagamba! Saan, Budu? Ayun siya. Wow, oo nga. Ang laki. Hehe, makakahuli na tayo ng gagamba. Kaso nasa taas siya. Paano mo siya uhulihin? Eh di, aakyat ako sa puno. Eto, panungkit. Baka mahulog ka pa kapag umakyat ka. Tama ka, nerdo. Uy, ang galing mo, nerdo. Paano mo naisip yan? Pag di mo abot, edi sungkitin mo. Para ka lang nanunungkit ng mangga. Ay naku. Magdahan-dahan ka lang, Budu. Baka... nakatakas. Sabi ko na eh. Ang malas naman. May balat ka yata sa puwet, nerdo. Bakit ako? Baka ikaw. Ano ba naman kayo? Di ganyan manghuli ng gagamba. Peter! Bakit ka nandito? Taga dito ako. Kayo ang bakit nandito? Natalo ni Empo yung binigay mo sa aking gagamba, Peter. Kaya nandito kami para manghuli ng gagamba at para makabawi sa kanya. Mukhang malakas nga yung gagamba ni Empo ah. Pwede mo ba kami tulungan, Peter? Siyempre naman. O sige, may alam akong lugar kung saan tayo makakahuli ng malalakas na gagamba dito sa bundok. Saan yun, Peter? Doon. Katakot naman doon. Teka, masyadong magubat dyan. Di ba delikado sa lugar na yan? Matagal na ako napunta doon. Wala pa naman ako nararanasang di maganda. Maliban lang sa... wala. Kung gusto nyo makahuli ng malalakas na gagamba, kailangan nating pumunta sa lugar na yun. Kayo na lang bahala magdesisyon kung sasama kayo. Mukhang okay naman. Sige, sama ako. Sige, ako din. Okay, Peter. Nagdesisyon na kami. Sasama kami sa'yo. Kailangan na namin siguraduhin na matatalo na namin ang mayabang na si Empoy. At syempre, sawa na kaming matalo. Sawa? Sawa? Huh? May sawa! Takbo! Bakit ko kasi tinawag yung sawa, Nerdo? Hindi ko tinawag yan! Takbo hanggang may lupa! Nakakatakot naman dito. Dapat hindi na lang ako sumama. Ano yun? Nakita nyo ba yun? Nakita nyo ba yun? Ano ba yun, Budu? May dumaan sa likod natin! Wala naman ako nakita. Baka guni-guni mo lang yun. Sigurado ako. Parang kanina pa may nagmamasid sa atin. Ang OA mo naman. Huwag kang mag-alala, Budu. Basta, wag lang kayong maingay para hindi maistorbo yung mga nagbabantay dito sa gubat. Nagbabantay? Nandito na tayo. Talaga bang maraming gagamba dito, Peter? Sigurado ako. Ano pang inaantay nyo? Manghuli na tayo ng gagamba. Tandaan nyo, kapag manghuhuli kayo ng gagamba, susundan nyo lang yung sapot kung saan papunta. At doon nyo makikita kung saang dahon nakatago yung gagamba. Eto na siguro yun. At tapos, dahan-dahan yung hulihin. Ayos. Hoy! May nahuli na akong gagamba. May nahuli na rin ako. Ako rin. Magaling. Mabilis kayong natuto. Malakas tong gagambang nahuli ko. Tignan natin. Teka, ang dami pala nating nahuling gagamba. Pero, isang gagamba lang naman ang ilalaban natin kay Empoy, di ba? Tama ka. Sino ang ilalaban natin? Bakit hindi natin sila paglabanin? Para malaman natin kung sino ang pinakamalakas sa kanila. At yun ang ilaban natin sa gagamba ni Empoy. Wow! Ang galing mo, Nerdo! Paano mo naisip yun? Ay, naku. Tara, Budu. Simulan na natin. Sige, kulot. Wow, gagambang tala pala'y nahuli mo, Budu. Kaso ang ikli ng mga galamay. Mukhang madali lang matatalo ng gagamba ko yan. Tignan natin. Mukhang magandang laban to ah.
Fight! KO!
Talo ako. Paano nangyari yun? Uy, Budo, panalo ka. First time ko manalo, nerdo. Oh? Panalo ko. Kung iisipin, ngayon nga lang siya nanalo sa isang laro. Nerdo, tayo na ang susunod na maglalaban. Oh? Okay, sige. Talo ka rin, nerdo. Teka, talo si nerdo? Ibig sabihin, tama ka, Budo. Tayo na ang susunod na maglalaban. Ang mananalong gagamba, ang siyang lalaban kay Empoy. Simulan na natin.
Fight! KO!
Wow! Ang lupit mo, Master Voodoo! Master Voodoo! Master Voodoo! Master Voodoo! Gamit ang aking gagambang tala, tatalunin ko si Empoy! Yay! Ayos! Mabuhay, Master Voodoo! Isa kang dakila! Ano yan? Naku po! Mukhang nagambala natin ang tagapagbantay ng gubat. Sabi ko na, may kakaiba dito. Hindi maganda to. Siya si Tung 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 Sahur! Ano bang klaseng pangalan yan? Tulungan niyo ako! Anong gagawin natin, nerdo? Takbo! Bilisan niyo! Huwag kayong papahuli! Aray ko! Aray! Aray! Naku po! Ang malas talaga! Aray! 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 Tulungan niyo ako! Tutulungan ba natin siya? Ay, naku! Oy! Lalabanan ko pa si Empoy! Tulungan niyo ako!
Get ready for the main event! Introducing Colgate Fresh Confidence with hundreds
Wow, ang ganda ng laban. Ang lakas ng gagamba niya, no? Oo, pero mas malakas yung isa. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Galit na ako! Get one sa'yo! Uy, muntik na ako! Grabe, ang lakas ng gagamba mo, pre. Puro atake. Sigurado, panalo ka na dyan. Tama ka. Malakas tong nabili kong gagamba. Sigurado, panalo na to. Nagkakamali kayo. Hehehe. Paano ba yan? Tapos na ang pagpapanggap. Tapos ka na.
Aray ko.
Huh? Talo ako. Ayos! Panalo ako! Wow, ang galing! Ang lakas ng gagamba niya. Akala ko panalo ka na. Hindi pa pala. Sayang, munti ka na manalo. Pero wag kang mag-alala. Marami pa akong binibentang gagamba dito. Sigurado, makakapili ka ng malakas. At malamang manalo ka na. Hehehehe, mga uto-uto. Binibentahan ko lang kayo na may hinang gagamba. Tapos, tatalunin ko para bumili uli kayo. Hehehehe, sigurado makakaipon ako ng pera nito. Tapos mabibili ko na yung pangarap kong pellet gun. Ano, bili ka na uli para makabawi ka. Sige, uwi lang ako. Hingi ako pera kay nanay. Ganun ba? Sige, bilisan mo ha. Baka may makabili nitong malalakas na gagambang binibenta ko. Oo, bibilisan ko. Huwag mo ibibenta sa iba. Sige, bilisan mo. Sige, alis na ako. Hihihi, uto-uto talaga. Balot! Penoy balot! Grabe, napanood mo yung balita, pre. Hindi na talaga ligtas dito sa Earth. Saan tayo pupunta? Di ko alam. Hoy, mga utoy! Bili kayong merienda! Excited na ako! Sigurado, matatalo na natin si Empoy ngayon. Ang lakas kaya ng gagambang tala natin. Sigurado, mapapahiya siya ngayon. Hihihi! Hehe, tama ka. Sa tingin ko nga, mananalo na tayo kay Empoy. Oh, bili-bili na kayong gagamba. Malalakas to. Oo, talaga? Oo, kahit tignan nyo pa. Oh, ayan oh. Wala kayo niyan. Malalakas yan. Ano, bili na kayo? Malalakas ba talaga yon? Oo. Nakita nyo naman, tinalo ko kanina yung isang bata. Oo nga no, kahit ilaban nyo to sa school, sigurado panalo kayo. Sige, pabili akong isa. Ako rin. Huh? Sila Budo yun ah. Huh? Hoy, Budo, Kulot, Lerdo. Baka gusto niyong bumili ng gagamba. Marami ako dito. Malalakas to. Galing pa to sa mundo ng mga halimaw. Tsaka mura lang to. 20 lang ang isang gagamba. At syempre, may discount kapag marami kayong bibilin. Grabe, sobrang sulit no. Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Bili-bili na, baka maubusan kayo. Huh? Ay naku, halatang budol ah. Naku, hindi ah. Wala sa bokabularyo ko ang manloko. Utot mo. Nge. Meron na kaming gagamba. Sigurado, mas malakas pa dyan sa mga binibenta mo. Sigurado ba kayo dyan? Sigurado ako. Kaya hindi kami bibili sa'yo. Hehehe, tama. Tsaka may kalaban na nga kami. Si Empoy. Sige, maglaban tayo. Hindi nila ako pwedeng ipahiya sa mga customer ko. Tatalunin ko sila. Para humanga yung mga customer ko. Magpapasikat ako. At sigurado, mas dadami pa ang bibili sa akin. Nya! Malapit na ang pagyaman ko. Pera! 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 Baliw. Hindi kami maikipaglaban sa'yo. At lalong di kami bibili sa'yo. Nya! Teka. Hindi ba sabi nyo lalabanan nyo si Empoy? Ha? Alam nyo bang wala siya ngayon? Huh? Nasaan si Empoy? Hindi ko sasabihin. Parang alam ko na kasunod nito. Maglaban muna tayo. Pag natalo nyo ko, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung nasan si Empoy. Sige, maglaban tayo. Sabi ko na humanda kayo. Dudurugin ko kayo. Yun, game na game. Magandang laban to. Huwag kang dumikit sa akin, di ka pa naliligo. Wow, ang lupit nila. Ang galing. Bibili talaga ako ng gagamba pagtapos ng laban na to. Huli ka! Aray ko! Napasobre yata ako. Aray! Kumanda ka. Ako naman ang aatake sa'yo. Hehe, sige, umatake ka. May hinanda ako para sa'yo. Wala akong makita, wala akong makita. Huh? Hindi! Naisahan ako. Malas.
Gusto ko lang malaman niya na na-appreciate ko lahat ng ginawa niya. Kahit malayo siya noon, na-feel ko pa rin yung
Pauwi ako noon galing sa school. Tapos kasama ko si Boyet. Malamang di ko nag-review kaya na-zero ka. Ang hirap kasi magpa-test ni ma'am. Tapos biglang may sumulpot na asungot. Inahamon kita sa isang flip-top battle. Ha? Sino ka ba? Ha? Hindi mo ako kilala? Ako si Kobe Bryant. Huwag kang maniwala dyan, si Budoy yan, taga doon yan sa Purok 5 Budoy, ang pangit ng pangalan mo. Epal ko na naman eh. Bakit? May problema ba? Wala. O ano, Jepoy, flip-top na lang tayo.
Japoy, hatiyan mo kuya mo.
Ayoko! Ako na to!
Dapat sa magkapatid, naghahati.
Ayoko pala na eh! Eh di sa akin dapat yung mas malaking pangki dahil ako yung mas malaki!
Jomar, hating kapatid na.
Akin na to!
Ay, magulo. Ha?
Nay, ano ba yan? Tinola ba yan o dinuguan?
Huwag ka na magpatawa dyan. Hindi nakakatawa yung ginawa niyo magkapatid.
Ikaw kasi, Ikaw kaya?
Pareho kayo. Eh kung nagbigayan kayo, hindi na sana nagkaganito ang tinola ko. Alam mo, Jom,
Sinabi nila na bawal ka doon sa isang lugar. Wala ka nang magagawa. Mabuti pa nga kayo eh. Sa pagkain at paglalaro lang pinagbabawalan. Ako nga eh. Pati sa susuot ko, pati sa buhok ko, si nanay nagsasabi. Eh kasi naman, nanay mo yung teacher natin. Pati sa eskwelahan, hindi tayo makawala. Sinabi mo pa. Alam niyo anong problema niyo? Nagpapaalam pa kasi kayo sa mga magulang niyo. Sino ka? Hindi ka taga rito, no? Ako si Kamen. Di nga ako taga rito. Galing ako sa malayong lugar. Sino mga magulang mo? Bagong lipat ba kayo dito? Magulang? Wala akong magulang. Kaya nga nagagawa ko ang gusto ko eh. Nakakapunta ako sa gusto ko. Nakakain ko lahat ng gusto ko. Ha? Pwede ba yun? Sino nagbabantay sa'yo? Sino nagpapaaral sa'yo? At sino nagpapakain sa'yo? Di ko sila kailangan. Kaya kong mabuhay mag-isa. Nakakaingit ka naman. Jackie Lou, ano ba yung sinasabi mo? Pwede ba yung wala siyang magulang? Di totoo yan. Papatunayan ko. Mga bata! Pupunta ako ngayon sa gulat. Sinong sasama sa akin? Ako! Sasama ako! Sasama rin ako! Jackie Lou, delikado doon, sabi ng tatay ko. Mga bata, huwag na kayong pumunta doon. Delikado doon, baka madisgrasya kayo. Jackie Lou, huwag mong pasilin na si Linong Liit. Matapang lang yan dahil barangay captain, yung tatay niya. Halika na, pumunta na tayo sa gulot. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Kita niyo na? Hindi naman delikado dito, di ba? Kung nakinig kayo sa mga magulang niyo, eh di hindi kayo mag-enjoy ng ganito. Ang galing mo talaga, ayos ka! Okay ka. Sa'yo na lang to. Salamat. Pero, paano ka nga ba nabubuhay ng walang magulang? Gusto niyong malaman? Oo! Sige! Mag-awak-awak kayo ng kamay. Tapos, uulitin niyo ang sasabihin ko. Magulang, magalang, magaling. Magulang, magalang, magaling. Sila ang naghihigpit sa atin. Sila ang naghihigpit sa atin. Kabataan, kabutihan, kabaitan. Kabataan, kabutihan, kabaitan. Hindi natin sila kailangan. Hindi natin sila kailangan. Hindi natin sila kailangan. si kuya at ate, nawawala din. Totoo nga yung sinabi ni Carmen. Lahat ng mas nakakatanda sa kanya, nawala. Eh, anong gagawin natin? Opa! Opa! Ano pa? Eh, di magsaya! Nawawala na nga yung mga magulang namin. Gusto mo pa kami magsaya? Nasaan sila? Anong ginawa mo sa mga magulang namin? Oo nga! Huwag kayong matakot. Hindi ko naman sila sinaktan eh. Pinadala ko lang sila sa ibang daigdig. Hindi nga nila alam na nawala sila eh. Anong ibig mong sabihin? Natutulog lang sila, nananaginip. Hindi naman sila nagugutom, nauuhaw, o nasasaktan. Wala naman masamang nangyayari sa kanila. Di ba ito yung gusto nyo? Walang matanda na magbabawal sa inyo. Oo nga! At walang magsasabi kung anong isusuot nyo. Oo nga! At walang magpipilit sa inyong mag-aral o gumawa ng assignment. Oo nga! At walang magulang na magsasabi na bawal kumain ito. Okay ka lang. Lino to lang sa siya. Ano gagawin sa tiyan ko? Aray! Alam ko na! Aklinik, maraming gamot dun. Tara! Kaya hindi natin makita. Jakilo! Paano na yan? Hindi natin alam kung ano yung gamot para sa sakit ng tiyan, pati yung para sa sakit ng ngipin. Pero teka lang. Naalala ko yung sinabi ni nanay na huwag daw basta-basta umiinom ng gamot. Kasi daw baka may allergy yung tao dun sa gamot. Tsaka mas lalo siyang magkakasakit. Dapat daw doktor lang ang magbibigay ng gamot. Eh paano yun? Bata lang naman tayo lahat eh. Walang doktor. Amen! Oh, ano yun, Kapitan Lee? Kapitan ano? Kapitan Lee! Dapat na Kapitan Lee ba? At ikaw si Lino Lee. Kaya Kapitan Lee! Amen! May magic ka din.
We love treating them like humans. They love being dogs. Kulang ang nutrients ng lutong bahay. Mag-pedi...
Sige. Yung samon mga kadyo.
Today, I'm gonna be pretending to be a noob in this scooter obby game, but what my friends don't know is I actually have a bunch of OP bikes in my inventory, including the best bike in the game, which is this Astra Galaxy bike right here. Just look at the stats. Like, if we press here and here, like, you could see the difference in the power in this bike. Now, guys, we've never played this game before, and not gonna lie, it looks pretty simple, but I'm gonna act like I've never ridden a scooter in my life and just die a bunch to get my friends to bully me. But all right, let me unmute my mic, and what's up, guys?
Yo, what's good, Jelly? Are you ready to begin the race?
Oh, come on, Ducky. I was born ready. I'm so good at this game.
Yeah, we'll see about that, bro. Usually you're not too good at these obby games.
All right, well, if you don't believe it, you're gonna have to see it. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, and go. And wait, what the duck? Why is there a hole here? Oh, what?
Dude, what? How did you just fall? Yo, wait, do we keep going?
I kind of feel bad for him, Ducky. I think we should reset.
Yeah, reset your progress. What the duck?
Okay, bro.
All right, you guys, I'm not really sure what happened there. I guess I'm kind of getting used to the controls, but we could go ahead and give this another shot. I think I'm gonna win this time.
Yeah, all right, let's get this race on the road. This time, try not to fall in first thing, bro.
I'm not gonna fall, dude. I'm not bad at this game. Just count down.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, let's go. And now this stupid hole!
Bro, no way. Seriously? Dude, I'm not about to restart again.
Bro, are you not seeing this gigantic hole in the middle of the map? Why would they put that there?
Bro, can you not go around it? Like, you have eyes, or do you need to get that checked out?
Well, I'm not gonna lie. My avatar kind of has a lot of hair on top of my eyes, so yeah, I kind of can't see it. But that was just bad luck. I bet if we raced again, I would do a better job.
Bro, you're literally just coping, but I guess we'll do another race.
All right, then now is the moment that you guys are gonna get absolutely flamed game. Just watch this. 3, 2, 1, and go! And all right, let's see. Let me avoid this big hole in the middle. Oh my god, I almost just fell in there, but let's keep on going. All right. And yo, you guys are so ahead of me.
Yeah, bro, but I'm surprised you even made it past the first stage.
Yeah, dude, I'm doing a pretty good job right now, but dude, there's a big red ball. And oh my god, it just hit me. What the duck?
Dude, you're such a ducking noob.
Bro, stop hating. I'm not that bad at this game.
Bro, by the looks of it, you ducking are, bruh.
Oh yeah, if I'm such a noob, then what stage are you on? Because I'm on stage 7.
Me and Jesse are both on stage 21.
21? Bro, how did you guys get so far?
Because we're actually professional, unlike you.
You're not fair at all. Okay, you know what? I'm done racing. I'm gonna reset my progress right now. You guys could just play by yourselves, I guess.
Oh yeah, bruh, no worries. We will.
And all right, you guys, let me mute my mic. And as you can see, my friends are extremely toxic, like too toxic. But to be fair, if I had a friend that played as bad as me right now, I think I would be toxic too. So I can't really blame them. But this is where the prank comes into play. So if I go inside of this gear menu, I have a bunch of bikes, including a Nexa bike, which is like the second worst bike in the game, and even a Hyper Wheel, which is a legendary bike, which is kind of better. And then we have the best bike over here, the Astro Galaxy, which is basically this bike over here.
You lose some, you win some, I've given all.
Basically this bike over here, which looks so aura. It has wings and it literally costs like 1,500 Robux. So what I'm gonna be doing is equipping the second worst bike right here, and I'm gonna see what they think.
Yo, Jelly, where are you? We're by stage 92. We're basically near the end.
Stage 92? No way you guys are about to win.
Yeah, well, in fact, Jelly, I think I just did.
Yeah, me too. Jelly, where are you, buddy?
Ducky, I don't want to say, but I'm literally nowhere near the end, bruh.
Bro, Jelly's still at the beginning, bro. Dude, let's just reset our progress and start over, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah, bro, this noob is holding us back. He can't even make it past level 2.
All right, well, maybe I can't make it past level 2, but I do have a better bike.
Bro, what is that?
Yeah, that's pretty sad, Jelly. I'm not gonna lie.
What's sad? Why is it sad?
Oh, Jelly, it's sad because you have the second worst bike in the game, bro.
Oh, yeah? You guys are talking smack? Well, I don't see you with a custom scooter, Jesse.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I forgot to equip it. Here it is.
What? Wait, what the duck is that? Is that a UFO bike?
Yep, and only a 1% chance of getting it from spinning the wheel.
Hey, yo, no, wait, that's cap. And oh my god, you're not lying. A 1% chance? How in the world did you get that thing?
Just be lucky, I guess. Unlike you.
Oh, nah. But, okay, look, I got a better bike, even though it's not the best one in the game. I still think I could beat you guys. So why don't we do a race?
You want to do another race? What, just for you to stay stuck at stage 1 again?
No, Ducky, because I have a better bike this time. So I bet I'm gonna beat you guys. Yeah.
Okay, let's see about that.
All right, Ducky, you do the honors of doing the countdown.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, let's go. And bro.
No way, bro. You died?
Again?
I fell in the hole, the stupid hole in the middle. Bro, why would they put that there?
Bro, like, you can't make this a duck up. You're just straight buns.
Dude, but I got a better bike, though.
Yeah, but a better bike doesn't come with better skills.
Are you saying that I'm a bad player?
If the boot fits.
Hey, yo, the boot doesn't fit because I'm a great player. I'm a really good player, and I just got smacked. Now!
Dude, if you're a good player, you'd be a little bit more ahead than us right now, I think.
Well, I'm at stage number 6.
Dude, no, stop. Like you're kidding, right?
I'm not kidding. I thought that was good.
You're by stage 35.
35? Bro, I'm at stage 8.
Holy duck, that's full. Bro, really? Stage 8?
Okay, dude, you know what? I'm resetting my progress, bro. I think instead of doing this stupid obby, I'm gonna train over here in the training area. Let me go ahead and do some tricks, I guess. I'm just so bad at this game. I don't know what's going on.
Bro, there's no way he forfeited twice in a row, bruh.
Yeah, this kid's a ducking loser.
Okay, was that really necessary?
Oh, yeah, someone has to tell you.
I'm done. No more Mr. Nice Guy. No more Mr. Nice Guy.
Bro, who does this kid think he is?
I think that I'm the next Roblox scooter game obby master. That's what I think I am. But let me go ahead and mute my mic. And guys, look, I have another super good bike over here that I could use. And the difference between the one that I'm using now and this is actually insane. Look, so this one has like 80 acceleration. This one has 130. And the jump power is literally almost double. So let me go ahead and equip this right now. And let me give it a little test run. So let's go ahead and try this. And oh yeah, this is a good bike. I think I could literally beat the game in like 2 seconds with this thing. But let me go ahead and reset my progress. And let me unmute my guys. And yo guys, I think that I'm ready.
Bro, it's been like 5 seconds.
Yeah, right. There's no way you went from noob to pro in 5 seconds.
Well, you guys would be surprised. Why don't you go ahead and reset your progress and come back here? Let's do another race.
Bro, you're gonna reset the race literally for you to fall through the freaking hole again. God.
We literally raced 3 times and you've done the exact same thing.
Okay, but I'm not gonna do it because I have a better bike.
A new bike? Is it gonna be a trashy bike like the noob one that you got?
No, Ducky, it's actually a legendary bike, which, if you don't know, is the second to best bike in the game.
What? How did you get your little hands on that?
Yeah, you're not even playing the game. What?
I don't know. I just found it, bro. And yo, what do you think of my bike?
Yo, that bike is so bad at ducking us.
Bad ducking us? Is that a good thing?
That is so awesome, yo. You are literally gonna be ripping that through this racetrack.
Yeah, I think he has a pretty good chance at winning now with that bike.
Yeah, maybe you're not such a big noob after all.
That's what I've been trying to tell you this entire time. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna still act like a noob. And then when they keep on hating on me, inevitably, I'm gonna go ahead and equip the best bike in the game. Call it a secret weapon, if you will. But let me go ahead and unmute my mic. And guys, I'm ready to race.
All right, bro, let's do this.
All right, Ducky, you count down.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
And oh my God, this thing is so fast. No!
Bro, no. There's no way. I'm not stopping again. There's no way with this bones.
Wait, guys, stop for me. I fell in the hole that I always fall into.
Bro, seriously? Oh my God, dude. Not even that bike can save you.
Yeah, dude, that's getting ridiculous. Let's just go back to him.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, you guys, come back to me. I'm currently on stage like number 3. And like, I'm really scared to pass this really big like punching ball over here.
Bro, for one, you're in stage 5. And come on, dude. This is the slowest moving wrecking ball I think I've ever seen.
Dude, it's gonna hit me, bro. Look, it hit me, bro.
Yeah, bro, you're in a fast bike. You need to go past it fastly.
But I can't.
Try and dodge it.
All right, let me try to dodge it. And bro, it keeps on punching me. Like, what the dog?
Oh my God, I think you're a lost cause, Jelly.
Bro, I'm not a lost cause. I'm just struggling a little bit. Just stop hating on me.
Bro, low-key, like, I don't know if we can even complete one race. I low-key don't want to play anymore.
Wait, you don't want to play?
Yeah, bro, like, at least not with you. Like, I'd rather play Duck and Tsunami or something. Like, you don't really need a lot of skill for that game, you know?
Ducky, what are you implying with that?
I'm implying that you're trash at this game, bruh, so we have to start getting you to play dumb games.
Are you calling me dumb?
Maybe.
Oh no, I'm done. I'm ducking done. I'm going back to the ducking training area. I'm done. I'm going to get better than you guys, and I'm gonna beat you guys.
In your dreams, you ducking loser!
Yeah, come on, Jesse. Let's go frickin' race without him.
Yeah!
All right, let me mute my mic, and guys, oh my goodness. Okay, guys, this is actually going perfect. I'm getting better bikes, but I'm still a noob, so they think that I'm just like some sort of like lost cause who can't get better at the game. And they are being super mean to me, but this is for a bigger purpose. So now I'm gonna go ahead and equip this mythical bike right here. And now instead of playing dumb, I'm going to absolutely crush them in a race. So let me just wait a couple of minutes so it looks like I'm training.
5 minutes later.
And all right, it's been like 5 minutes of me doing nothing here. So I think it's time for me to tell them that I'm ready for another race, the last one. All right, let's get this. Let me unmute my mic and hey, yo, you guys.
Finally, you're ducking done, bro. We've been waiting for you.
Yeah, you guys, I was really busy in this training area, you know, practicing because I really want to beat you guys. And I think that I'm ready now.
You've said that the last 5 times and nothing has happened, bro. You've kept falling into the same ducking hole.
Well, do you think I'm going to fall in the same hole with this bike right here?
Yo, oh my God.
That's the best bike in the game, yo!
Do you know how good it is? Do you want to know?
I know it's good!
It has a jump power of 124 and 200 speed.
Yeah, dude, that's nuts. But, I mean, wait, you did have the better bike before and you still lost. The bike doesn't buy the skill, you know?
Well, Ducky, you have to remember, I've been practicing for 5 minutes.
But 5 minutes isn't enough, yo.
Yeah, I have a feeling you're gonna die in the beginning like you did the last 4 times.
Oh God, hopefully I don't. Hopefully my training was good enough.
Yeah, you're right, bro. Yo, you're just gonna die in the beginning. You're still the same ducking noob. You just have a better bike.
Yeah, you're a lost cause.
Oh God, maybe I am a lost cause. You know what? Let's just go ahead and start this race. I mean, even if I'm gonna lose, it's fine. Just 3, 2, 1, and go!
Yo! Oh my God, he jumped over the... Dude, he's gone!
Yo, where'd he go?
He went above the clouds, yo. I don't see him anymore. What stage are you at?
Stage 13.
13?
There's no way. There's no ducking way. How, bro? You were literally barely passing stage 1 earlier.
Well, Ducky, it's almost like I was pretending to be a noob this entire video. This obby is so easy.
Bro, what? Oh my god, you're actually so good.
Wait, you were actually pretty skilled this whole time?
Yup, I've actually been a ducking pro this entire time with all of those bikes.
What? But why would you lie to us?
Well, why would you guys hate on me? You guys were being so mean.
Well, yeah, because we thought you were a noob.
You don't treat noobs like that. Everybody watching this video, make sure you're not treating noobs badly because, first of all, it's really ducking mean. If you see somebody struggling on a game, you have to give them a helping hand. And second of all, they could be like me where they're pretending and trying to teach you a lesson.
We'll never do it again. We'll never do it again. We're sorry.
This is me controlling Lily Lovebraids in Poppy Playtime Chapter 5.
Wait, what? We could control Lily Lovebridge Jelly? What the duck?
Yeah, Ducky, and that's not all, because we could also control Huggy Wuggy, Boxy Boo, and even the prototype. Make sure to subscribe to the original creator, Poppy Boy, because this gets absolutely goated. And alright, here we go, bro. We are literally the prototype right now. Yo!
Yo, and we're chasing the player. Oh my god, Jelly!
Dude, what are we doing right now?
It looks like we're the prototype hunting the player.
Well, it's kind of hard to get the player because he's inside of the ducking wagon. And yo, speaking of the wagon, he just disconnected it.
Hey, yeah, he's trying to get away from us.
Yeah, bro. Oh my god, the prototype is so fast.
Yeah, because he's literally a whole bunch of metal. And he did it again.
Oh my god, he did it again.
Bro, come on. This guy can't be serious.
Yeah, dude, this is actually insane.
Oh, dude, just jump him already.
And all right, one-on-one, facing off. Moment of truth.
Get him already.
Dude, he's stuck.
Is that what's going on?
Is that ice? And oh my god, hey, yo!
Dude, no.
Oh my god, he's getting burnt.
Yo, the player's low-key cooking us.
On God, we're getting cooked.
Dude, it cannot be that hard. Just kill the player.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, yo, this is terrifying.
Dude, I honestly hope that the prototype gets killed, bro, because in the game we're playing as the player. Remember, like, we don't want him to win.
Well, yeah, but now that I'm looking at his POV, I kind of want him to win.
Yeah, right. This is kind of OP.